Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. We made it through another week. I have been on Optavia, and today is day 6. I have accomplished the first 5 days of being completely on plan. Saturdays will be my weigh-in day, and it's so funny because way back when in 2018, you all remember, Saturday morning was my weigh-in day, and it was wonderful as, I had time to film. Obviously, most of my stuff comes out on the weekends, and that is just perfect opportunity for me to start that back up. I am going to dive deeper to talk to you about the mindset and just a total attitude change, and some of the reasons that I think I had been faltering with my weight and why this time it's working. I've been doing a lot of work, introspective work on myself this week, and I've been writing things down and continuing with my journaling, and I've come up with some things that I think might interest you. For those of you who are struggling, this will definitely help you. Absolutely. So we'll dive into that, but I'm going to just enjoy my cup of coffee here with the hot chocolate. I have my bathrobe on. I have my tank top and shorts. And I have all of the pups and cats, and Jess is in the shower. Tonight he has a show, so if I can get there tonight, it's pretty late. I'll do a little bit of filming. I really want to go, though, because he's such an amazing singer, and his band is phenomenal. So let's see how the day pans out. Enjoying my fueling number 1. See you in a little bit. All right, guys, I'm having my second fueling, and what I wanted to show you was this because some of you were asking yesterday. These are the plastic bowls you buy at Target or Walmart. Either place, they're 50 cents. I have a few of them. I think they're great to make the chocolate chip pancake in. It was purely a fluke, but you don't have to spray it. You don't need the little paper ramekin. And look at this. It comes out. Hold on, I'm going to show you. It comes out like a giant pancake / cookie. Look at that. So what I like to do is take a tablespoon or less of the pancake syrup by Walden Farms. And I'm going to show you, I literally just put a tiny, tiny bit on top. It's not even a full tablespoon. I move it around so the syrup coats it. And then I eat it with a fork. I've been doing this the last 2 days. It's delish. Try it. All right, guys, it's lean and green time. I decided to make an egg white salad. So 14 egg whites is a full leanest. I decided to do 8 here, so I still have room for more protein later if need be. I have 3 servings of iceberg lettuce. I have 1.5 ounces of avocado as a healthy fat. I have a tablespoon of Jehu's dressing for a healthy fat. 2 wedges of light Laughing Cow for 2 condiments. And I sprinkled a little fresh ground pepper on top of my eggs. And I did scramble them up with a little bit of olive oil cooking spray. So I'm going to eat this, and I'll see you in a little while. Stepped outside after their little set there, and the crowd was magnetic, enigmatic, whatever the word is. I'm just so proud of him and the guys. They did such a great job, and it is raining here. Place is absolutely packed, and we will see if they're flying to California and then Germany tonight at the battle. There's 1 band left, and oh God, keep your fingers crossed, guys. See you when they announce the winner.
My sound and my light, guys.
Turn it back around, big back.
You are my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna